Welcome back on my channel. Rajarhat in Kolkata is a very well-known birding destination. This place have been the home to many resident and migratory birds over the years. Now due to urbanization, this place has transformed. However, even today, the place hosts many common and uncommon birds. This place is very near to my house, and this is the place where I have started birding years back. Even today, on free weekends, I just go there for fresh air and watch birds. Here is a compilation for you with my recent visit to this place. Hope you will like it. Please let me know the feedback in the comment section. This is greyback shrike, which I found this year. It's a winter migrant to this region and not so commonly seen. The last one was seen in 2022, as far as I know, and it was busy having its meal in front of my eyes. I also got some good shots. Then a green sandpiper, it is also not very common in these areas and it's a winter migrant to this area. It was foraging beautifully, and the sunset colors added a beautiful view to it. The common green beater, mainly seen in the winters in this area. Though common, it was so beautiful to watch its behavior. It catches a bee and then most of the time returns to the same perch. So it was easy to photograph and video this bird. Then a Eurasian coot. This is a winter migrant to this area, and earlier it used to be seen every year during the winter season, but now it's not so consistent because on one occasion I saw it and the next day when I went, I was not able to see it. A cotton pygmy goose, a common sighting in this area, resident in a beautiful green and blue backdrop. It was so beautiful to watch. These generally are in flocks. Then a flock of whistling duck. These are also winter migrants to this area. And a common brown shrike, a winter migrant, and a peasant-tailed jacana, a resident to this area. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also let me know the feedback in the comment section. Your feedback and appreciation will keep me going, and I will be bringing beautiful videos of birds and wildlife to you. So till the next time, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.